Hello everyone and welcome back to today's job opportunity update. Today I am excited to share an incredible career opportunity for professionals in the field of architecture, engineering and construction management. One of the world's leading multinational USA-based infrastructure consulting companies is offering a new job opportunity in Saudi Arabia. So what are the job opportunities, salary and free benefits offered, how and where to apply? All these details are going to be shared in this video today. So stay tuned and keep watching till the end. The hiring company offers a wide range of services including architecture and design, construction management, engineering, project management, planning and consulting, etc. And they are currently hiring for an ongoing urban design and civil infrastructure project in Saudi Arabia. There are a total of 125 job positions available and they are looking to fill these roles in large numbers. In this video, we will share 42 positions and in other two videos, we will share the remaining job positions. Make sure to check out the other two videos on the channel as well. So now let's quickly take a look at all the available job positions. Before seeing the position list, I request you all to carefully note down the qualification and experience details that will be displayed along with the respective position. The job positions are as follows. Architect or finishing manager, PMC experience, architect or finishing manager, PMC experience in arch finishing, hospitality, islands. Assistant resident engineer with construction supervision in airports. BIM specialist, construction supervision experience, mixed use or retail. Civil engineer, PMC experience, civil or roads inspector, electrical inspector, engineer architecture landscape, engineer demolition, engineer steel structural, facade or roof specialist, architect engineer, construction supervision experience, architect inspector 5-star hotel, architect inspector airport, architect inspector parks or garden, architect inspector stadiums, architect inspector, assistant resident engineer construction supervision experience, associate director, leisure, themed leisure, mixed use, BIM coordinator, construction supervision experience in mixed use or retail, BIM coordinator, PMC experience, BIM manager, construction supervision airport, BIM modeler, construction supervision experience, mixed use or retail, civil inspector, parks or garden, civil inspector, stadiums, civil or roads inspector, commercial manager, leisure, themed leisure or mixed use, commissioning engineer electrical, construction supervision experience, commissioning engineer mechanical, construction supervision experience, electrical engineer, construction supervision experience, electrical engineer high voltage, 5 years experience in stadium or sports, electrical engineer low voltage, 5 years experience in stadium or sports, electrical engineer medium voltage, 5 years experience in stadium or sports, electrical engineer or telecom engineer, PMC experience, electrical inspector stadiums, electrical inspector 5-star hotel, engineer architecture fit out, engineer MEP mechanical, PMC experience MEP hospitality islands, engineer architect construction supervision experience, engineer civil or infra construction supervision experience, engineer electrical construction supervision experience, engineer ELV or ICT construction supervision experience, engineer structural construction supervision experience. All the engineers and positions above are required to have worked for an engineering consultant to be considered for this opportunity. Also, please note that candidates with online or distance learning degrees will not be considered for these positions. Talking about the salary, the company is offering an attractive salary package which is negotiable based on your experience and qualification. Additionally, overtime benefits will also be provided as per the KSA labor law. If you are interested in this exciting opportunity, then the shortlisting process is currently ongoing at Asmax Recruitment Agency in Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi offices. And the final client interviews will be held in different cities of India by March 2024. So update your CV today and send it to the given email ID and contact number displayed on the screen. And for more information and assistance, visit the Asmax office in person. That's it for this video. Do apply as soon as possible and don't miss out on this chance to join this reputed company in Saudi Arabia and be a part of their prestigious project. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you best of luck.